Learn how to ask and answer questions in English through a fun and engaging story called The Lost Wallet. This lesson will help you improve your English conversation skills with real-life dialogue, vocabulary, and speaking practice. Ideal for beginners and intermediate learners. Story. The Lost Wallet. One afternoon, Emma was walking home from the grocery store. As she passed through the park, she saw something lying under a bench. It was a brown leather wallet. Emma picked it up and looked inside. There was some cash, a few credit cards, and an ID card. The name on the ID was James Carter. Smiled and said, "Can I help you?" Emma wasn't sure what to do. She looked around, but there was no one nearby. Then she remembered there was a small police station nearby. She decided to go there and hand in the wallet. When Emma arrived at the police station, she met an officer named Mr. Blake. Emma replied, "Yes, I found this wallet in the park." Mr. Blake opened the wallet and said, "Thank you. We'll try to contact Mr. Carter." 2 days later, Emma received a phone call. It was James Carter. He thanked her for returning the wallet and offered to buy her a coffee. They met at a local cafe, and soon they became good friends. Dialogue practice. Asking and answering questions. Use this dialogue to practice asking questions in English. At the park. Emma, what is this under the bench? Emma, whose wallet could this be? At the police station? Officer Blake, can I help you? Emma, yes, I found this wallet in the park. Officer Blake, where exactly did you find it? Emma, near the big tree, under a bench. Officer Blake, did you see anyone around? Emma, no, the park was almost empty. Officer Blake, thank you. We'll contact the owner. Phone call later. James, hello, is this Emma? Emma, yes. Who is this? James, I'm James Carter. You found my wallet. Thank you. Emma? Oh, I'm glad they found you. James, can I buy you a coffee to say thank you? Comprehension and speaking questions. Where did Emma find the wallet? What was inside the wallet? What did Emma do after she found the wallet? Who was the police officer? How did James thank Emma? Have you ever lost something important? What would you do if you found someone's wallet?